Here at Altasciences, specifically in our department, we had a wide variety of experience and background with employees in chemistry, biology, engineer, etc. Having this unique background and experience, where we are very flexible and agile in our processes, and it's easier for us to adapt, especially when we're facing different issues or problems.
We have people that have been here for more than 15 years, so they've been here for a long time and they've seen the growth that Altasciences has taken. And with that experience, they have the knowledge of why things are being done a certain way. So that experience combined with the new people coming from other companies, they just mix well together. And with that, we're able to get this operational excellence. What's nice about our departments is we're central to everybody. So we deal with all departments, we deal with other clinics, we deal with other sites. So we get to know all the other departments and the needs they have. We need each other to be performing, and by talking to each other and planning and having a big idea of all operations, how they are, I think we do a lot of great things together.
Yeah, and the fact that we're complementary, there's some overlap with some of the skills, which makes it that we can bring together that synergy.
I think that operational excellences is embedded into Altasciences culture. Interdepartmental and inter-site collaboration and harmonization really brings the best of everyone and into our processes. And we've been working on that I've been here for 5 years, and I can see the improvement that we made in just those 5 years with the acquisitions and the harmonizations and everything that I think it's coming together, and we're really thriving on that right now.
Yeah, and if I can expand, so where are we going now? So Mathieu mentioned it about harmonization. The next step is process automation. There's process optimization, but now there's process automation that's going to make us even more efficient in the future. So this is really striving towards operational excellence. When we think about process efficiency, we think immediately about optimization, understanding your process mapping, and this is something we put a lot of effort being able to understand our process, because the benefit to the client is consistency. If you understand your process, everything is done the same way. If you need to troubleshoot your process, you understand it, you can explain it either to your colleagues or to client, and that makes it that we can adapt and troubleshoot easily. So at the end of the day, all of this equals to time saving, which is cost saving at the same time for our client. When you map your process, you have KPIs which are associated to your process, and your KPIs, so we use them to measure different aspects: number of samples that we receive, the time it takes from reception to service.
If I can add on the KPIs, those are important for our external clients, but also for our internal clients. But because within departments, they need to know that they're gonna get their samples when they ask for them. Otherwise, it's long. The day is longer. They have more work to do. It's not efficient. So that's why those KPIs are key for us.
We want to make sure that all of our samples are logged into our system within 5 business days. And if we look historically, more than 95% of those are logged within 5 business days. The other KPI is service. It's really important to fulfill a request from our analysts within a very stringent time frame. So Our objective is to serve all of our requests or fulfill them within 15 to 30 minutes. And again, if we look at our KPIs, more than 90% of our requests are fulfilled within that time frame.